ZANU-PF Midlands Province leader Simbarashi Mutukwa, popularly known as Comrade Riot, has died at the age of 47. Zalipenda mashu kubranyo kwa pango na chinzi. Comrade Riot dies. Don't subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Klibina mnamo kubranyo kwa mchinzi. Mutukwa died on June 7. It was buried at Midlands Provincial Heroes Acre in Gweru, where ruling party officials and supporters paid their final respects. Hundreds of mourners attended the burial, with party leaders describing him as a committed cadet who dedicated much of his life to youth mobilization, grassroots political organization, and community development initiatives in the Midlands Province. In a speech read on his behalf, Midlands Minister of State for Provincial Affairs and Devolution, Owenwe, described Mutukwa as a loyal party member who contributed to youth empowerment and community programs. In quotes, "We are deeply saddened as a province and as a nation by this loss. Comrade Mutukwa was a dedicated young leader who worked alongside many distinguished leaders in advancing the party's vision. He played a significant role in youth empowerment and community development," the statement said. Born on May 14, 1980, Mutukwa received his education in Shirungi before later settling in Gweru. Throughout his political career, he served in various ZANU-PF structures and was involved in programs aimed at mobilizing young people and strengthening the party's support base. Several speakers at the funeral described him as a committed party activist whose loyalty and organizational work earned him recognition within the ruling party. His death marks the end of a political career that was closely associated with youth mobilization and grassroots party structures in Midlands Province. He is survived by his family, though my developments are not kwa pangwa ile. Kena comment section medu za figure aim out kudipa msaripe chitu each. So subscribe or like, on the bell icon.